Rickshaw, scissors in hand, was here before, and in a stroke of luck found this long lost song. Someone covered his eyes with a cloth, erased with a knife the memory of what was found. All that was left was a random sound, the voice of a girl singing, "This is where I come from." Scissors in hand, an airport lunch. We follow him as he